Hello guys, welcome to the first day of your program. Hope you are as excited as we are, so let's go further and see what we got prepared for you and your first workout. And here it is. So for this workout guys, you will have two types of exercises. Primary exercises, they're highlighted with blue color, and secondary exercises, they're highlighted with this olive green color. The main idea is that all the way through the workout, the number of repetitions for secondary exercises is going to remain the same. It's not going to change. When the number of repetitions for main exercises will change, so you will do 2 more repetitions for each primary exercise. Also, main exercises are supposed to be done in different tempos: slow tempo, middle tempo, and the sprint. I know it might sound a little bit confusing, so let me show and demonstrate just to make it more clear. So these are moves that we are going to use. First one is burpees. I personally love burpees. I do them a lot. My students hate them. If you know how to do them, good. If not, this is the short demo. So palms on the floor, jump out, chest to the floor, push yourself up, jump forward, and jump with hands above the head. Again, chest to the floor, up, and hands above the head. There is easier version when you don't have to touch the floor with your chest. You just place palms on the floor, jump out, jump forward, get up with a skip or without it. Out, back, and jump. Easy. Now the easiest version with a step out. Same deal, palms on the floor, step out, jump forward and get up. That's it, pick one and stick to it. Side step jacks. Pretty simple one. You step, you swing your arms up, exhale every time you lift up your arms. Push-ups. We're gonna use straight push-ups or alternatives, whatever works for you. So the main is form. Please make sure your wrist, elbow and shoulder are in one line and you tend to touch the floor with the middle of the chest. Inhale through the nose on the way down, exhale through the mouth when you press. As an alternative is knee push-ups. Please make sure your knee and hip are in one line, and same, try to touch the floor with the middle of the chest. This is not the right push-up. Side shuffles. We're going to use this exercise for a middle tempo part of the workout. If your room is bigger, you don't have necessarily do 2 shuffles before you change direction, but please touch the floor every time you change direction. High knees. You can use 2 hands trying to slap them with your knees, or you can simply trying to lift your knees as high as possible and as fast as possible. Something like this. Now the whole workout together. We start with burpee. After that, 10 side step jacks. Now push up. 10 side shuffles. Don't forget to touch the floor every time you change direction. Once you're done, burpee again. And 10 high knees, 5 on each side. This is sprint, high intensity. Once you're done, we do push up and start over again. This time we do 12 side step jack. So you see guys, we increase main exercises on 2 repetitions with every next round. Next round after that is gonna be 14. Burpee, 12 side shuffles. This is where I was supposed to do push-up, but I did burpee, that's fine. And 12 high knees again. Push up, and then start next round with 14 repetitions, then 16, 18, 20, etc, etc, etc. I hope the task is pretty clear by now. So you simply have to increase number of repetitions for main exercises on 2 with every next round, and try to do as many rounds as possible within 11 minutes, right? 11 minutes, this is your time frame. The beautiful part about this workout is that you can pace yourself and you can stick to your own pace. you can take bigger breaks, or you can make exercises slower. So focus on your breathing, listen to your body, and have fun with that.